So you finally made a decision to start a clothing line. But you're unsure if you should just have one product and promote the hell out of that, or if you should have multiple products so you can offer it to a whole bunch of people. Well, you stumbled across the right video. Hello, my name is Michael and I am the owner of ECG Graphics and Printing. We are a print shop located in Southern California, and you can only imagine the different types of clothing lines that walk through our door every single day. And through those relationships, we have seen some tips and some techniques that have allowed for some of our customers and clothing lines to be more successful than others. And what we want to do is share that information with you. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button. Also, bang on that notification bell. Trying to decide if you want to just offer one product for your clothing line or multiple designs is a big question that actually comes up a lot. And to be truthful, it is one of the most important decisions that you're going to be making when you're starting up your clothing line. It's going to be the deciding factor on how you actually create the systems for your clothing line. So how you're going to do research and development, how you're actually going to get it printed, how you're going to promote it, and all those things. So if you just have one product, or if you have multiple, you're really gonna have to figure those things out. So what we wanna do in this video is give you the pros and cons to each of them, and hopefully this will help you decide which one is gonna fit best for your clothing line. So let's get started.
Let's look at one product. The pros are, it's typically cheaper to launch, easier to manage, easier to produce, and cheaper to market. So the cons, because it's only one product, is its limited variety, so you're looking for a more specific customer.
Hold on, real quick. Thank you for watching my video. I would really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are finding any value in this content. Also, if you stay to the end, we do have a special tip that we think you would love. So you gotta stay to the end to find out.
Now let's look at multiple designs. The pros are you offer variety to your customers, which potentially adds to you having a larger audience. But the cons are, it's more expensive to launch, harder to manage, harder to produce, and even harder to market.
I'm really interested in hearing your thoughts and which one that you think is gonna actually work for your clothing line. What if I told you that there is an option that is in between having just one product and having multiple designs? Well, that option is called a capsule.
A capsule, also referred to as a capsule wardrobe, is simply a collection of clothing composed of thoughtfully curated, easy interchangeable items designed to maximize the number of outfits that you can create. For example, let's take a look at this capsule. There's some outerwear, some tops, some bottoms, some shoes, and even some suggested accessories. Some common elements used for creating a capsule is using color theory, special occasions, and even the seasons. Some benefits for having a capsule: although capsules are composed of many items, because they are designed to be interchangeable, the cost for production and marketing can be divided amongst all of the products.
I hope you took something from this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. The free tool that we would like to give you is an infographic or PDF for what we talked about in today's video. If that's something you're interested in, please go onto our website at ecggp4u/resources. Sign up for that list, and someone on our team will send that to you right away. Until next time.